Stop button problem.
Nowadays, we cannot imagine our lives without high-tech robots. Every year, their possibilities are getting wider and wider. Sometimes it looks like they really can't think. This entails particular difficulties. Suppose you want to build a robot that makes you tea. There are several ways to do it. First way is when you program each step that your robot have to do. But if you put him in a situation for which you have not programmed it, it will definitely fail. Actually, there is a second way when you make an artificial intelligence which can generate solutions to your problem on their own, and sometimes with unexpected ways. So, how does it work? You create a so-called reward function which takes on input some data from sensors, for example cameras, and returns a value. And the task of the robot is to maximize that value. We can see it as a robot who wants maximum reward with minimum effort and will do whatever it takes for this task. In our case, we give 100 points when tea is made and 0 if it isn't. However, that comes with some problems. For example, if your robot is about to step on your cat while making tea, which you really don't want, but you are a smart scientist and you prepared a big stop button in advance for such cases. Well, now you are going to push it and your robot suddenly punches you, so you can. Why did it happen? Because if the robot is turned off, it can't make tea. Therefore, it will gain 0 points. So you reprogram it so that when you press that button, it also scores points. Now it wouldn't prevent you from turning it off. Then you turn your robot on and the first thing it does is press this button. Why? Because it's a much easier way to get 100 points than making tea for you. You might think that is an easily overcomable problem. You just list all the things it cannot do, but at any point you can't prove that it's safe. You only can prove that you can't figure out how it's dangerous. For example, your robot decides that a much easier way to boil the water is to set the whole apartment on fire, or anything else you haven't thought of. This phenomena is called the stop button problem. It's going to buff all high-tech robot manufacturers in the coming years. We hope that someday a solution will be found. Thanks for your attention.